Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to compare the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. The main reason why I'm uploading this video is because right now the Flipkart festival sale at the price of this phone has been announced, and even the Realme X1 Max in the Realme store, the price of this phone also been announced for the discount. So that's what my main reason of doing this kind of video. So after using the discounts and all the offers, you can actually get the Realme X1 Max for about close to 24,999 rupees from the Realme website. So after using the discounts from the Flipkart festival sale in the Realme GT Neo 2, you can actually get the price close to 26,999. If you go to the official website, you can actually find the details. 2,000 discount on the Realme X1 Max, and Realme GT Neo 2 is available for about 26,999 after using the SBI credit card offers, as you can see clearly. So now the price is of 25,000 and 27,000. Is it worth of spending extra money on the Realme GT Neo 2 or not? That's what a lot of users are actually confusing, and they want to know the answer. And quick thing is that I did order the Realme GT Neo 2, and very soon I'll be expecting the phone, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. But this is just a small demonstration where I thought of giving you my complete idea of what is going on regarding this both phones. So why Realme X1 Max? There are a couple of reasons why Realme X1 Max. Two main reasons. The first number one reason is because of the 3.5mm jack, as you can see. So Realme X1 Max has got the 3mm jack, and there is no 3mm jack in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's the one best advantage in the Realme X1 Max device. And next advantage with this Realme X1 Max is a compact size, so which is of 6.43 inches screen size. Some users do prefer this kind of small screen size as well. That's very good, comfortable in the hand as well. That's another thing, because there are two different type of users will be there. One users, they do like the big screen, one people they like the small screens. So if you are the fan of using the small screen displays, then definitely the Realme X1 Max, compact and powerful smartphone you can actually buy right now, because most of the phones which are powerful, they are screen size of 6.55 inches or maybe 6.67 inches screen size. So it's very rare to get this kind of small compact size with really powerful chipset in this phone. That's the one thing you should definitely understand before you actually buy the Realme X1 Max device. So these are the two advantages which I did find in the Realme X1 Max: 3.5mm jack and the compactness of this phone, and less price as well. Obviously 2,000 less you are getting on this device. Apart from that, there is not much reasons to buy the Realme X1 Max at this moment if you leave this kind of comments, because the Realme GT Neo 2 has got few advantages. For example, in terms of the performance, Snapdragon 870 with better cooling system you are getting in this device. So once I get hands-on with this device, I'll be able to show you the clear idea what is going on. But even I did do plenty of other Snapdragon, say 870 versus Dimensity 1200 using iQOO 7 device. We got to know the answers as well every time. The iQOO 7 was able to maintain the stable performance levels. If you want, you can check the videos which I did upload regarding the CPU throttling test. 30 minutes of doing the CPU throttling test, and you will be able to find out the results. Consistent performance. And next thing is regarding the battery and the charging is also very advantage for the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, battery and charging. And one more thing I forgot to mention, Realme X1 Max has got the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS option. Yes, 90 FPS is there in this device. Still the Realme GT Neo 2 should get the 90 FPS. That's also another advantage with the Realme X1 Max I forgot to mention. But the Realme GT Neo 2, as I said, the performance is a key point, and next the battery charging is also another good thing, and big display you're getting on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And phone takes only 36 minutes to fully charge the battery. 36 minutes, that's it. As you can see, friends, 5000 mAh of battery can fill in only 36 minutes, whereas the Realme X1 Max takes about close to 50 minutes of time, 50 to 55 minutes of time in terms of the charging speed. So overall, if you try to consider all the points, for example, performance, display, camera, battery charging, everything. So performance, Realme GT Neo 2, little bit advantage, little bit. Display, both are kind of same, nothing much major difference apart from higher brightness levels and higher touch sampling rate and higher AMOLED panel, E4 type of panel. So display also slightly advantage for the Realme GT Neo 2. Camera segment I need to test once I get hands-on with the device as well. Battery charging, Realme GT Neo 2. Connectivity, both are pretty same, nothing much huge difference with 5G bands and everything. Build quality, I think Realme X1 Max, because of this 3.5mm jack, that's another advantage, so which is present in the Realme X1 Max, and less weight and compact size, so easy for one-hand usage. So price also Realme X1 Max is highest. So finally friends, this is my conclusion about this video. I just thought of keeping this video really small and short as well. That's the reason I thought of explaining you each and every small thing within this close to 5 minutes of time. So now the prices are out, I thought of making a video and clarifying you all the doubts. So if you're okay to spend more money on this phone, you will definitely have a really good experience. But if you're already using the Realme X1 Max, I don't think there will be any kind of reason to go for the Realme GT Neo 2 unless you want the more battery backup, unless you want the Snapdragon 870 kind of chipset. Only these two reasons can be there if you want go to the Realme GT Neo 2. Otherwise, the Realme X1 Max is really good for this compact size. It's really well good, and in terms of the performance as well, powerful. So no doubt at all in terms of the performance wise. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. So finally friends, and I'll try to come back with other festival sale offers as well very soon, so stay tuned for those videos. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.